Is there anything cuter than a sleepy puppy yawning? Just look at these adorable fur babies stretching, yawning, and showing off those tiny little teeth. Aren't they the sweetest? And it doesn't stop there. They're not just yawning, they're practically begging for cuddles, belly rubs, and maybe even a sneaky little puppy kiss. Who could ever say no to that? Look at those big puppy dog eyes. It's as if they're saying, "I love you." And oh, by the way, where are those tummy rubs you promised? How could you resist such cuteness? When puppies yawn, they remind us to slow down and soak in the love. So, give them all the cuddles they deserve. Share the love. Share the yawns.